Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to cancel your Planet Fitness membership. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up any browser on your phone. It could be on your desktop. Okay. Open up any browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, or whatever. And then just go ahead over to the search bar and type down Planet Fitness. Okay. Tap on it. And then just tap on the Planet Fitness website. And then here you can go ahead and use the search bar right here and just type down the location where you're currently subscribed. So for example, you are from the United States. Tap on United States right here. You could go ahead and use your current location, okay, to speed up the process. Or for example, you could just go ahead and scroll down right here. Let's say for example, you are subscribed to this specific Planet Fitness location. Well, you can just go ahead and tap on club details. Just like so. And the next page, it will give you a phone or telephone number where you can just go ahead and give a call and then ask the customer support that you wanted to cancel your Planet Fitness membership. Now, if your location doesn't have a phone number, but it gives you an email, well, you can just go ahead and send an email that you wanted to cancel your subscription. If not, if there is no available contact in here, well, the only option that you have is to go to the physical location of Planet Fitness, okay, where you are subscribed, and tell the representative that you wanted to cancel your subscription. That is it. That is how you cancel your Planet Fitness membership. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.